Want to know how to use and get used to it to the Shortwave interface? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Shortwave application or the website. Just simply towards shortwave.com, and you should be right here. And now once you're on this interface, here getting used to it is super simple. So on the first, you should be seeing your inbox popping up by default with the account that you have signed into. And now here you can see inbox. You can just simply change it to to-dos, start, and snoozed, and what's more. So you can also select done and much more, where your done emails should be shown right here. And now also sent, trace, and much more. So just like email or Gmail, you can also compose your Shortwave email. So you can just simply select that, select compose, and then just simply enter any contact that you want to send it to, add the subject, and then select send. Super simple and easy. Next is the AI assistant. So on the top left side, you should be seeing this star icon right here. This is your Ask Assistant or AI Assistant right here. So you can just simply select that in order to ask your questions. You can also add your files and then save prompts, and also two integrations and much more. So you can also change the settings right here, and you can just simply select send, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.